Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the file and setting intent, add, animation, or blank, so the canvas matches delivery. Pick exact dimensions and density, because export depends on pixels and aspect ratio. Once done, enable Timeline, Components, and Events panels to reveal the tools you will use. Make sure to save an initial version named V1 so you can revert. Now add a container element or stage. Position guides and the grid will keep alignment tight. This gets you into actionable work immediately. You now structure the composition. Create text, images, and shape elements, then group and layer them for clarity. Use the timeline to insert keyframes, adjust easing, and set durations in milliseconds for precise motion. Once you add interactions, bind events like click or mouse enter to actions, navigate, expand, or run custom JavaScript, so functionality matches intent. Make sure to preview frequently. The preview reflects how HTML5 and CSS will render. As you finish by exporting the build, ZIP for manual delivery or publish to a platform, making choices about minification and included assets. Then test across target browsers and device sizes. Use DevTools to watch the console for missing files, JS errors, or layout shifts. If something breaks, inspect Z-index, asset paths, and event bindings, and adjust timeline offsets. One key troubleshooting tip: if interactions don't fire, verify the element, ID, and event delegation scope. Often a wrong selector or locked layer is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.